Welcome to Healthy Joy's YouTube channel. In this video we are going to talk about turmeric powder in your health. Before starting this video, like this video and subscribe to Healthy Joys for future updates. Turmeric is a spice that may be the most effective nutritional supplement on the market. Turmeric has been shown in numerous high-quality research to provide significant health advantages for both the body and the brain. Curcumin, the principal active component, is responsible for many of these advantages. Continue reading to learn more about turmeric and curcumin, as well as their health advantages. What is the difference between turmeric and curcumin? Curry's yellow color comes from the spice turmeric. It has been used as a spice and a medicinal herb in India for thousands of years. Traditional beliefs that turmeric contains chemicals with therapeutic effects have now been backed up by research. Curcuminoids are the name for these chemicals. Curcumin is the most crucial. Turmeric's major active component is curcumin. It has potent anti-inflammatory properties, as well as being a potent antioxidant. Here are the top 10 health advantages of turmeric and curcumin based on scientific data. Number 10. Turmeric contains bioactive compounds with medicinal properties. Turmeric, on the other hand, does not have a high curcumin level. By weight, it amounts to roughly 3%. The majority of trials on this herb use turmeric preparations that are mainly curcumin, with daily doses typically exceeding 1 gram. It would be quite difficult to achieve these levels solely by the consumption of turmeric as a spice. It's for this reason that some people prefer to take supplements. Curcumin, on the other hand, is poorly absorbed into the bloodstream. Curcumin's bioavailability, the rate at which your body absorbs a substance, must improve in order to reap its full benefits. Consuming it with black pepper, which contains piperine, is beneficial. Piperine is a natural compound that boosts curcumin absorption by 2000%. In reality, piperine is found in the greatest curcumin supplements, making them much more effective. Curcumin is also fat-soluble, meaning it dissolves and breaks down in fat or oil. As a result, taking curcumin pills with a high-fat diet may be beneficial. Curcumin, a chemical found in turmeric, has potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. The majority of research use turmeric extracts that have been standardized to have high levels of curcumin. Number 9. Curcumin is a natural anti-inflammatory compound. The importance of inflammation cannot be overstated. It aids in the battle against foreign invaders and aids in the restoration of bodily damage. While acute, short-term inflammation is good, it can become a problem if it becomes persistent and assaults your own tissues. Chronic low-level inflammation is now thought to play a role in a variety of health disorders and diseases, according to scientists. These are some of them: illness of the heart, cancer, metabolic syndrome, Alzheimer's disease, Alzheimer, many types of degenerative diseases. As a result, anything that might help reduce chronic inflammation has the potential to help prevent and treat these diseases. While there is likely no simple answer to the question of inflammation, the main point of curcumin is that it is a bioactive chemical that can fight inflammation. To get therapeutic results, however, extremely high doses are required. Chronic inflammation is linked to a number of common health problems. Curcumin has the ability to decrease a number of compounds that are known to play important roles in inflammation, but its bioavailability has to be improved. Number 8. Turmeric can increase the antioxidant capacity of the body. One of the factors underlying aging and many diseases is oxidative damage. Free radicals, highly reactive molecules with unpaired electrons, are involved. Free radicals are known to react with essential chemical compounds such as fatty acids, proteins, and DNA. Antioxidants protect your body from free radicals, which is why they are so important. Curcumin is a powerful antioxidant with a molecular composition that can destroy free radicals. Curcumin may also inhibit the action of free radicals while stimulating the action of other antioxidants, according to animal and cellular studies. More human clinical trials are needed to confirm these advantages. Curcumin has antioxidant properties, but further research is needed to establish these advantages. Number 7. Curcumin can boost brain-derived neurotrophic factor. Neurons were thought to be unable to divide and multiply during early childhood before scientists had a better knowledge of them. They now know, however, that this is not the case. Neurons have the ability to make new connections, and they can expand and grow in quantity in some areas of the brain. Brain-derived neurotrophic factor is one of the key drivers of this process, BDNF. This gene is involved in the production of a protein that helps neurons live longer. The BDNF protein is present in parts of the brain that control eating, drinking, and body weight, and it plays a function in memory and learning. Decreased levels of BDNF protein have been related to a variety of common brain illnesses, including depression and Alzheimer's disease. Curcumin has been shown in animal experiments to enhance BDNF levels in the brain. It may be possible to prevent or even reverse many brain disorders and age-related declines in brain function by doing so. Even so, because these studies were conducted on animals, it's difficult to understand what the findings signify for humans. Given its impact on BDNF levels, it may also aid in memory and attention enhancement. More research is needed to corroborate this, though. Curcumin increases levels of the brain hormone BDNF, which promotes the creation of new neurons and may aid in the prevention of several degenerative brain diseases. Number 6. Curcumin has been shown to reduce the risk of heart disease. Heart disease is the leading cause of death worldwide. Researchers have been studying it for decades and have learned a great deal about why it occurs. Heart disease is, unsurprisingly, extremely complicated, and a variety of factors play a role in its development. Curcumin may aid in the reversal of a number of stages in the heart disease process. Curcumin's key benefit in terms of heart disease is that it improves the function of the endothelium, which lines your blood vessels. Heart disease is exacerbated by endothelial dysfunction. When your endothelium is unable to regulate blood pressure, blood clotting, and other factors, this is known as hypertension. Curcumin has been linked to improved heart health in several studies. It's also as helpful as exercise in postmenopausal women, according to one study. Curcumin can also assist to lower inflammation and oxidation, both of which can contribute to heart disease. Researchers gave 121 participants undergoing coronary artery bypass surgery either a placebo or 4 grams of curcumin per day for a few days before and after the surgery in one study. In the hospital, the curcumin group had a 65% lower risk of having a heart attack. Curcumin has anti-inflammatory properties that help to prevent heart disease. It also functions as an anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. Number 5. Turmeric may aid in cancer prevention. Cancer is a disorder in which cells grow out of control. Curcumin supplements appear to have an effect on many different types of cancer. Curcumin has been explored as a cancer treatment herb and has been discovered to inhibit cancer growth and development. According to studies, it can assist in the demise of malignant cells. Angiogenesis should be reduced, growth of new blood vessels in tumors decrease metastasis, spread of cancer. It is yet to be determined whether high-dose curcumin, preferably with an absorption enhancer like piperine, can help treat cancer in humans. However, there is evidence that it may help to prevent cancer in the first place, particularly tumors of the digestive system such as colorectal cancer. 4 grams of curcumin per day reduced the number of lesions in 44 men with lesions in the colon that can turn malignant by 40% in a 30-day study. Curcumin causes many molecular changes that may aid in the prevention and treatment of cancer. Number 4. Curcumin could be beneficial in the treatment of Alzheimer's disease. Alzheimer's disease is the most common type of dementia, accounting for up to 70% of all cases. While some of the symptoms of Alzheimer's can be treated, there is currently no cure for the disease. That is why it is critical to prevent it from happening in the first place. Curcumin has been demonstrated to pass the blood-brain barrier, so there may be some good news on the way. Inflammation and oxidative damage are known to have a role in Alzheimer's disease, and curcumin possesses anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. A development of protein tangles known as amyloid plaques is also a crucial hallmark of Alzheimer's disease. Curcumin has been shown in studies to aid in the removal of these plaques. Curcumin's ability to reduce or perhaps reverse the progression of Alzheimer's disease in people is unknown at this time, and further research is needed. Curcumin has been found to enhance different aspects of the degenerative process of Alzheimer's disease by crossing the blood-brain barrier. Number 3. Curcumin supplements help individuals with arthritis. In Western countries, arthritis is a frequent ailment. There are various kinds of arthritis, the most of which include joint inflammation. Curcumin is a potent anti-inflammatory chemical, so it's not surprising that it could aid with arthritis. There is, in fact, a link. According to multiple research, curcumin proved even more effective than an anti-inflammatory medicine in a study of adults with rheumatoid arthritis. Many more research on the effects of curcumin on arthritis have found that it improves a variety of symptoms. Arthritis is a common illness that causes inflammation in the joints. Curcumin has been shown in numerous trials to effectively alleviate arthritis symptoms and is, in some situations, more effective than anti-inflammatory medicines. Number 2. Curcumin has benefits against depression. Curcumin has demonstrated to be effective in the treatment of depression. In a randomized controlled experiment, 60 depressed persons were divided into 3 groups. Prozac was given to one group, 1 gram of curcumin to another, and both Prozac and curcumin were given to the third group. Curcumin produced results similar to those seen with Prozac after 6 weeks. The group that received both Prozac and curcumin had the best results. Curcumin is equally efficient as an antidepressant, according to one short study. Reduced BDNF levels and a smaller hippocampus, a brain region involved in learning and memory, have also been related to depression. Curcumin can assist to increase BDNF levels, which could help to reverse some of these alterations. Curcumin has also been shown to increase the levels of the brain neurotransmitters serotonin and dopamine. Curcumin was found to be just as effective as Prozac in treating depression symptoms in a trial of 60 persons. Number 1. Curcumin may help delay aging and fight age-related chronic diseases. If curcumin may indeed help prevent heart disease, cancer, and Alzheimer's disease, it may also help people live longer. This shows that curcumin could be useful as a supplement for anti-aging. Given that oxidation and inflammation are thought to play a role in aging, curcumin could have far-reaching benefits beyond disease prevention. Curcumin may help people live longer because of its numerous health benefits, including the ability to prevent heart disease, Alzheimer's disease, and cancer. What do you think about this video? Do let us know down in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from us again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go.